Beefy Finance DeFi Platform Review, My Usage Experience. Beefy Finance is a leading decentralized finance DeFi platform designed for crypto investors seeking to maximize their earnings through automated yield optimization. Whether you're a seasoned DeFi user or someone just starting with decentralized finance, Beefy Finance caters to a wide audience with its straightforward interface and powerful features. At its core, Beefy functions as a yield optimizer, aggregating returns from liquidity pools, staking opportunities, and yield farms across multiple blockchains. Supported networks include Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Polygon, and more, making it incredibly versatile for users operating across various ecosystems. One standout feature is the auto-compounding mechanism, which reinvests your earnings back into your investment, ensuring you maximize compound interest without manual intervention. From my experience, the process is seamless, with clear details on annual percentage yields, APY, platform fees, and performance metrics for each vault. Transparency is a key strength here. Every fee, risk, and projected earning is laid out, so you're never in the dark. Another aspect worth highlighting is security. Beefy Finance undergoes audits from reputable firms like CertiK and PeckShield to ensure the safety of user funds. Additionally, the platform integrates multi-sig wallets and insurance options for high-risk vaults, making it one of the safer DeFi options available today. Who is Beefy Finance for? It's ideal for investors who want to set it and forget it. The platform's auto-compounding saves you time while maximizing returns. However, it's also highly suitable for advanced users, offering deep insights into individual vaults for those who want to customize their strategy or assess the risks of impermanent loss. During my usage, I appreciated the simplicity of connecting a wallet, selecting a vault, and letting the platform handle the rest. While it's user-friendly, you should still have a basic understanding of DeFi concepts like staking, liquidity pools, and network gas fees. The only downside I experienced was occasional high gas fees on some networks. But that's an industry-wide issue, rather than Beefy-specific. In summary, Beefy Finance delivers on its promise as a robust, efficient, and secure yield optimizer. If you're looking to grow your crypto holdings passively while maintaining control over your assets, this platform is a strong contender. Its combination of user-focused design, security, and cross-chain compatibility makes it a go-to choice for anyone serious about DeFi.